In the wake of the pandemic, Americans have a newfound appreciation for the great outdoors. As Americans seek solace and adventure away from home, activities like camping and hiking have a new surge in popularity. With 82% of Americans now participating in outdoor activities, vehicle manufacturers have responded by introducing vehicles designed to cater to the growing demand. Among them, Toyota has made a notable comeback with the highly anticipated 2024 Land Cruiser. The pandemic has taught Americans the value of exploring the great outdoors. According to Winnebago Industries' third annual Spotlight survey, participation in outdoor activities away from home has increased from 22% in 2020 to a staggering 82% recently. This shift in mindset has paved the way for vehicle manufacturers to cater to this growing trend. Toyota, a renowned name in the automotive industry, has reintroduced the iconic Land Cruiser after a 3-year hiatus. The new Land Cruiser boasts impressive features and enhancements that makes it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Equipped with a powerful iForce Max turbocharged 2.4-litre hybrid engine, the 2024 Land Cruiser delivers an impressive 326 horsepower. Inside the 2024 Land Cruiser, drivers will find a host of advanced features to enhance their off-road activities. A spacious optional 12.3-inch touchscreen display provides easy access to various functions, while the terrain monitor ensures a clever view of the surroundings. Limited to 5,000 units for the first 2 months of production, the Land Cruiser's first edition grade offers exclusive two-tone paint color and additional off-road equipment. The 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser has a rich heritage that spans over 6 decades since its North American introduction in 1958. The Land Cruiser has become a symbol of strength and luxury, from the legendary two-door models like the 40s series, famous for their fold-down front windshield and rear jump seats, to the capable and fully loaded 200 series. The Land Cruiser has constantly delivered on its reputation of durability and premium features. The 2024 Land Cruiser stays true to its heritage as a quality off-roader, while offering a much more accessible price point. With its slightly smaller and narrower design compared to the previous 200 series model, the new Land Cruiser promises enhanced agility on trails. Ground clearance has been increased to 8.7 inches, ensuring the vehicle can conquer even the harshest terrains. In the 2024 Land Cruiser, Toyota features a host of off-road technologies, many of which are featured in their latest generation of trucks. Multi-Terrain Select, now functional in both 4-wheel drive high and 4-wheel drive low, allows drivers to adjust settings for optional wheel spin control on various terrains, such as mud, dirt, and sand. Additionally, features like crawl control and downhill ascent control provide enhanced control and safety during off-road adventures. The 2024 Land Cruiser offers a host of connected and convenience features to enhance the overall driving experience. Over-the-air OTA updates ensure the vehicle's software remains current, while connectivity for up to 5 devices turns the Land Cruiser into a hotspot. The limited first edition grade comes with luxurious leather-trimmed seats, wireless charging, and advanced functional features for its rough trails. The pandemic is reshaping our priorities and driving us towards the great outdoor adventure, and the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser arrives just in time to be your companion for those new adventures. Combining a rich heritage, cutting-edge technology, and enhanced off-road capabilities, the Land Cruiser is an iconic choice for off-road enthusiasts. Set to arrive in the spring of 2024, the Land Cruiser's mid-50s price range makes it an accessible option for those ready to embark on their next outdoor adventure.
I'm Nik Miles.